my last day, but the cold winds hit in my cheek. I was so afraid to speak, cause I got weak. It was just as if I was leaving my home, and now I portray my feelings on this microphone. When I heard the last bell, all my emotions fell on the ground. I still remember the sounds of goodbyes from my friends who were more like a family. It's a bittersweet heartbreak, and these memories for nothing I'll trade. Here's where our lives are made, here's where foundations laid. Yeah, we strive to plan our life for God and country.
Lost in the crowd, screaming these words out loud. One day I'll be something, lost till I'm found, screaming my truth out loud. One day I'll be something.
Take me back to SES, the best moments of my life were made there. But all I can do now is stare at my reflection in the mirror, and it couldn't be more clearer that I was better off when I was a kid in school. Gold, maroon and green, that's what was seen on me till I turned 17. I wish I could again spin those hula hoops to the beat of the drum. I was dumb cause I never valued those days when they were still really there. Why did this have to end? All of this feels so unfair. Now I'm lost in the crowd trying to find my way out to a broken heart from a broken crayon. Somewhere in this abyss my innocence is gone, and I miss who I